All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at Dash. So Dash is currently at 51.69, but if you notice here on the chart, this thing is or appears to be in a falling wedge pattern. So if that is the case, then this thing should break to the bottom and come back down to the bottom of the wedge, at least down here to about 34. So if this wedge in fact does play out and everything kind of falls off the table, or this pattern just plays out on its own, you're looking at about a 34% drop down here to 34. So just be very cautious of that there. The one good note is you can see that Dash is sitting on the 200-day moving average here. A couple days now it's been holding it as support, so that's a very bullish sign to push up. So if we break out to the top of this wedge here, then we could just delete it off the chart and it is not in play at that point. So we'll do the downside move really quick. So if you end up losing this 50 area, you would fall back below the 200-day moving average. And then if you come back down here, pretty much to the wedge here for about an 8% move at 47. If you end up losing 47, then your wedge is playing out. Then your next bounce would be down here at the 786 at 43 for a 16% drop. Well, like I said, if you fall below this, you're probably going to just kind of crawl down here till you hit about $36, $34. Excuse me, on Dash here. If this thing stays bullish, which the MACD you can see is bullish over the zero line here, it's kind of just going sideways. RSI is doing the same thing, it's just kind of going sideways. And that's pretty much what the price is doing. You're just sitting here going sideways on the 200-day moving average. So it looks like it wanted to be bullish from this support here, but then it knows it's in this bearish triangle pattern, so it's just kind of stuck here. So we'll see which way it breaks out. Yeah, you can see the trend really doesn't know what it wants to do here. It almost looks like it wants to roll over and turn red there on the Heikin-Ashi candles. So just watch those couple of prices. If you break out above 53, then you know this wedge is not playing out and you're still bullish. And if you fall below 50 and you come down here to 47 and you lose 47, then you know you're bearish and this thing's going down to these lower price targets. So just play it from there. If you do break out above 53, 56 is your next stop, and then 61. So if you break above 53, we'll go from where you are right now in price. If I can get this thing to stick, you're looking at about a 2-3% move to get over this wedge. The 56 mark is about 8%, and then 61 up here for about 19-20% move. So just watch those couple of prices on Dash. Like I said, it's bullish for the fact that you're sitting on the 200-day moving average here. It's trying to push higher, but it's getting stuck in this wedge here. And if this wedge plays out, you're just going to break down. So with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.